drugs and drug abuse are constantly becoming more of an issue in California. In addition to the legalization of marijuana in California, how has that come into play with hiring, firing, and just the standard workplace? What have you seen regarding drugs in the workplace?
What I've seen is two sides of the pendulum, and it swings in both directions depending on the situation. I have a client that insists on putting in drug testing into their employee handbook and insists on doing random drug testing for employees in the workplace. I recommend against that. I don't like that pendulum swinging in that direction unless the employee his job is directly related to some issue of safety or OSHA, or they're federal employees, in which case you're allowed to drug test them. Now, you cannot drug test an employee or a prospective employee until you've made at least an initial offer of employment. And so once you've made an initial offer of employment as a contingency of getting that employment, that is the time to do the drug testing. If an employee comes in to work and they're clearly inebriated or they're under the influence of something, technically you can ask them to go and do a drug test. But you really don't need to, because if they look inebriated, you can tell them to go home. Or you can fire them.
You can fire them because California is an at-will state, and
Exactly.
it's not being intoxicated is not one of the protected classes.
Exactly. So there's really no need for the drug testing or the marijuana testing. And even though marijuana is legal in California, it does not mean that you can come to work high on marijuana.
Oh yeah, opioids, antidepressants,
Absolutely.
all prescription drugs are arguably legal in California as long as you have a doctor's prescription.
Correct.
But